Welcome back to my channel. Okay, this time I want to talk about Houston Maritime Alternate. Houston Maritime Alternate. A Houston Maritime lawyer is well versed in the maritime law and has present injury offshore roles in Texas, Louisiana, and throughout the Gulf Coast. We have seen clients faced with lifelong disability and the loss of their wage earning jobs. Federal maritime law. Several federal law can cover offshore injury including Longshore and Harbor Road Compensation Act, Jones Act, Jet on the Sea Act, Admiralty Military Sea Life Command, Public Vessel Act, Admiralty Extension Act, Other Conventional Sub-Act Act, Limitation of Liability Act, Third Party Lawsuit Claims. What can cause an offshore accident? Offshore roads, better dock, weather condition, and on this dangerous heavy equipment there are a variety of reasons offshore accident including diesel driver accident, bad weather, driving accident, explosion, umbrellas and separate decks condition, fire explosion, crane failures, boat collision, diverse diesel technology, human error, helicopter crash, difficult crew, and the immunity safety regulations. Getting help after a maritime injury. Do you need a maritime alternate after an offshore injury? The answer is almost always yes. If you have been injured, help brought in a maritime protection, our offshore maritime alternate will do three things for you. Keep your employer for taking advantage of you. Level the playing field in talk answer US questions throughout the process. Our offshore injury alternate are knowledgeable about the aspects of maritime law. Maritime law is fairly complex and we have the answers to US question. Bracing competition for an offshore injury can be full of roadblocks and delays, but a Houston maritime lawyer can help you refuse, adjust, and timely resolution in your case. Contact a Houston maritime lawyer or Richard Gibbelsia and Associates. We have won pre-judge and pre-sales confidential settlement for injury. Maritime roads all over the country, including the Gulf of Mexico and East Coast. Our offshore injury lawyer have years of experience dealing with large corporate defense and their insurance profit. If you or a member of your family has been seriously injured or killed as a result of an offshore accident, you should contact us for Africa's evaluations. Without the advice of the experienced maritime lawyer, you may face lifelong injury complication and financial ruin.
Most of the major urban areas of the is a cost city to the weatherplace. Electoral tourism economy in Bogor, the port of Western is one of the
Here a Houston maritime injury lawyer. Our Houston maritime injury lawyer is prone to help injury maritime process competition. Every competition in the heart is right and the maritime industry is no different. In fact, seamen participate in the one of the most central industry in stations. Seamen are at risk of broken injury whenever they are on the boat. The courts recognize this. Moreover, our Houston personal injury law frameworks constitutionally to fight for injury seamen. Maritime law allows first maritime pros the opportunity to claim necessary compensation for any suffering or broken complication. Moreover, this law are the basis for all injury the seamen sustain. When you sustain an injury at sea, it is vital to work with a Houston maritime attorney with a comprehensive understanding of this law. If you have been injured on the maritime industry, contact your personal injury attorney and let us fight for you. When South I hire a house and maritime attorney, our maritime injury lawyer have injury purpose and the seamen attain the compensation they request to recover at our personal injury law firm. Typically, serious injury led to expensive medical treatment. Above all, this injury can have a long-term impact on your life, mentally, emotionally, and financially. This can include an array of accidents that occur on navigable waters, including rights by ocean, harbors, and docks. Our house and maritime injury attorney understand maritime law. We also know the best practice and the culture of the maritime industry. Contact us for a free case evaluation and we can discuss your legal option.
Next, why so I hear an alternate for helping maritime injury case.
Maritime law and the maritime injury case. Admiralty law assists to have injuries seamen recover from injuries sustained during work. Without the lost injury, seamen will be efforts of the defend the country against suffering extent at work.
And the injury claims can be challenged if they are felt under the admiralty, which states maritime law governs your case. If you were working, are you entitled to maintain and enjoy the maritime
How seamen recover injuries sustained during work without the lost injury, seamen will first to ask indemnity spell search for any suffering sustained at work. Whenever our maritime works become sick or injury of the owner vessel, must remedy their loss. Maritime attorney prefer to ask on maintenance and court.
We also know how much of any money can make in the ways.
Essentially, this means that the employee must profit the affliction until the loss fully recovered fully. Court view this obligation as a duty of the owner almost and the works aborted himself.
Well, you are used to handle your maritime injury case, you can expect your soon. In particular, you can be your
Essentially, this means that the employee must profit for the application until the works recover fully. First view this obligation as a duty that the owner owns and the works aborted himself. Moreover, seamen are eligible to recover full waste for the length of the voyage during which they sustain elbow illness or injury. Oftentimes, their employee contract discuss the number of rest they are applicable to refits. Moreover, seamen are eligible to recover full waste for the length of the voyage during which they sustain the illness or injury. Okay guys, this is for discussion about Houston Maritime Lawyer. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And see you next time.
That might be applicable or similar for review the specific of your account that determine which laws apply and how those laws can be used to help you recover the compensation.